The first step is to go to Kahoot.com and either click sign up or log in. So I'm going to log in with my school email. And once you're logged in, you can either search for games that have already been created or you can create your own from scratch. So to search for games, you can click on Discover. And then you can search by a topic. It'll allow you to filter games by subject, grade level, and also you can choose to have games that were only created by teachers, since students can create their own Kahoots as well. If you find a game that you like, you can star it to add it to your favorite folder. That way it's easy to access later. If you find a game that you want to change a couple of the questions, you can also edit this game, so that way it saves you a little bit of time. If you want to create your own game from scratch, come up here and click Create. There's a couple different templates that you can use to save yourself some time. So if I wanted to create a Get to Know Your Teacher one for the beginning of the school year, I can go ahead and type my question here. And then down here you have your answer choices. Make sure that you have a check mark on the correct answer. Over here on the left, you can change the amount of time that students have to answer each question. You can change the point value. And then when you're ready to move on to the next question, you can come over here and click Add Question. You can also make questions true or false. And if you want, you can add images by searching from their library. Or you can upload your own image. And you can even have a YouTube video here as part of the question. Don't forget your answer choice. You can also click and drag to reorder these questions, and then you can use their question bank as well. So there's over, I think, 500 million different questions here. So you can search for a question to add. Once you're all finished, and you can also import from a spreadsheet. So if you have a list of questions like terms and vocabulary words and definitions, you can download the template. And then what you would do is hit Enable Editing. You can copy and paste all your questions here, and then you'll have to have different answer choices. Once you save that, then you can go ahead and select it and upload it, and it'll automatically import all your questions for you. So once you're finished, you're going to click Done. And you have a couple different options. You can test it, you can play now, or share with others. We're going to go ahead and click Done. And now it is saved over under My Kahoots. Any games that you have saved that you've searched for will show up here under your favorites on this left sidebar.